We are back. Back. Copy. Copy, copy. Perfect. Ayo, Obi. Hello, Tony. And Thrust Brian. Good morning. I was about to say good morning. Good afternoon. Jay, Ayo. Ooh, we is right. We are back, guys, with Mira. Mm, perfect. Hello, everybody. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Welcome back. I thrusted so hard today, Reese. I like it. Well done. JMI looks really good too. Not bad. ACON sold off. AMC had news, guys. Oof, can you believe this? AMC had news. Straight to resistance for AMC though. Straight to AMC resistance. They're restructuring to, I don't know, whatever they're doing. Uh, uh, George, that's a good thing though, right? That's a good thing. Anyways, yeah, Mira's halted up, guys. I think we were waiting for so long for this damn thing to break out. It's sitting exactly at the double top from earlier this morning, right at 371. 371 double top. Let's see. This stock kind of gives you like server vibes, though, doesn't it? Well, let's see how we end the day. Let's see how we close, and then go from there. Let's see how we end, and then go from there. Mm, okay, one, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Accepted. Perfect. Come on, Mira, give us the unhalt. Where's everybody? Everybody's gone for nappies, huh? Nappies. Everybody took nappies. And UKK doesn't look too bad too. Doesn't look bad either. Hmm. That thing can get back about 50 cents after hours. There might be something there. AMC is getting rejected a bit at resistance. Then we're just waiting for the resistance, you know. Sounds good. Uh, really? AMC calls? Looking for huh? Crazy. That's impressive. Very impressive. Very, very impressive. You left for 20 minutes, Greg? No, don't leave. I know, right, Pyro? Everybody's out celebrating. Come on, guys. The market isn't closed yet, and we're about to pop some more, Pyro. No celebrating. No, I like that people can make money and walk away, you know? It's the greed that usually ends you sends you to the bridge. Make your money, walk away, right? $100 daily target, $50 daily target, $500. Some of you guys are up $900, into the thousands before the market, right at the open. So just walk away, be happy, come back tomorrow and cook again. You know, usually when you want to stick around and play all day, that's usually when the violence comes in. The violence. Uh, Make sure that the stream. Oh, there was never was there an alert? I think so. Yeah, there was an alert. Yeah, exactly. Always another day. Honestly, we're just on here just to play with Mira. That's about it. There's nothing else that I see that's like, this could be another one. You know. CMAX was one that we watched earlier. It looks like it's bouncing off the 200, so that maybe that could be another one into the end of the day. Today was a perfect day to come back. Ooh! Oh my days, guys! Look at this. CMAX is about to be halted up again. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Sheesh! You see that? Damn! CMAX. Whew! My goodness, Mira. Mira. Damn! Oh my goodness, we're halted up again, guys. Sheesh. Want to see, let's go, Reese. Let's go. 350, 330%. Well, we wanted a big day. We have a big day. There's one thrust left. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Monies. Monies. Right before the halt, TK? Oh, that was quick. That was very quick. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. My goodness. Sheesh. Sheesh. Sheesh, sheesh, sheesh. Very nice. You were in at a dollar? I know, right? 90 cents to a dollar was, I know, crazy. Don't forget to smash the like again, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. So now we wait for the next on halt. More, but when I. Okay, it's big monies. Big monies, big monies. Because I didn't want to FOMO. Jason, with stocks like this, you just have to look for the breakouts, right? Like clearly, we were waiting for this thing to break about 360, right? 360, 370. So as soon as it does, Again, the only frustrating thing is that it broke and then halted immediately. But as soon as it breaks out, it's gone, right? So that's one of my favorite strategies when it comes to like momentum stocks is I mean you can see the same thing at the open, right? Look at this. It's coiling, it's coiling, it's coiling, but it's not dying, and then all of a sudden, boom, right? That's what this stock likes to do. So if you're gonna FOMO, do the educated FOMO stuff, right? Pick a level that looks like it's resistance and it's coiling, and then wait for the breakout, and then FOMO, you know. So, sheesh. Now we wait for the on halts, guys. My goodness. Let me mute my Discord because that's gonna be a little bit annoying. A little bit annoying. Are you just watching? You totally missed it. Again, come join us in Discord, right? Come join us. Come and join us. Right? If I scroll all the way back to the morning, there've been a lot of messages about Mira today. A lot of them. A lot. Uh, a lot. A lot. A lot. A lot. Mm, okay. Okay, I'm gonna pull up these little screenshots here. Stretch those hips, please. Stretch those hips. Cancel. I'm just pulling up a little screenshots here. Next up. My computer's been acting up a lot lately. Silliness. Anyways, when we say like it's important to be a part of a community, it's because of stuff like this. Right? So I just went to I just went to a random section in Discord, guys, and then I pulled up some of these messages. Right. It's nice to be a part of a community and then have people talking about what they're potentially playing with, right? Like Chris was in this thing already. AFC got in and got out really quickly. He might have got in again, right? Simon was scalping this thing right at the open, right? And then Sean was asking for an entry, right? So, and I think again, you guys, the response for this was get in between 90 to a dollar, right? So pretty nice monies there. 37%. Honestly, anything you can take out of it, right? 37%. I think people don't look at that as a big number, but 37% is nice. So it looks like the bids are sitting around 470 already, guys. Watch, we're gonna go for 1,000%, or not, but let's see, let's see. It for sure has those serve vibes, SERV. So let me zoom out really quickly, guys, or maybe a TPST. That would be nice. Let me zoom out and look at the daily because I don't think we've really paid a whole bunch of attention to this. If you look to the left hand side, anything below $5 is a problem, isn't it? Right. So like right there, $5 resistance, $5 resistance. I wonder if we get all the way up there actually. Let's see here. I know there's that level that we're struggling at now. I'm just gonna leave that line at $5, guys. Uh, so $5 that are our target for now. The only reason we say $5 is because it struggled around $5 for a bit now. So let's see if we can get there. Not on halted yet. This is like these beats are perfect, for what's happening with the stonk. Okay, let's zoom back in here. I just wanted to look at the daily and see if we've missed anything. And it looks like, yeah, that $5 is our next big obstacle. I mean, that was an aggressive candle though on the breakout. Break and boom skis. Break and boom skis. And now we're going to war. T. Mira, Mira, Mira. I think someone made a joke in Discord this morning that, like, with a name like Mira, Mira on the wall, how we're gonna have fun with that all day on stream, right? And we have Mira, Mira on the wall. Who's the best of them all? It's Mira, guys. It's Mira. And don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new. And again, if you want to join us in Discord, just click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots. And then come join us, alrighty? Translate to look in Spanish. Ooh, okay. Very fitting, very fitting. Very, very fitting. I like it. AMC is getting slapped, guys. Surprise! Surprise, AMC. What a garbage stock. I kidding, not kidding. Okay, there we go. 445. Yeah. Yeah, we gapped up above that level already, so that's why it looks like we got really close to the top side there. Ooh! Oh my goodness, that thing said resistance. So we're getting close to that $5, guys, right? There goes 600%. Oh my days. 600%. Woo! My goodness. Damn. For AMC, no, you're too late on AMC. You should have grabbed those puts as soon as AMC popped up to resistance, so 560-ish, right? And then it started stalling there. By the way, these are 5-minute candles on AMC. Those are 5-minute candles, so that's a perfect wall up there. So big time frame, perfect resistance, puts. Anyways, Mira doesn't look like it's giving up yet, even though it's at resistance. Whoo-wee. Mira's like, excuse me, give up? Nope. Me, give up? Nope. Oh my goodness. Can we see $5 again? Like, it looks like our biggest obstacle is closer to $5. So sheesh, 600%, guys. We started the week off with a bang. My goodness. I came back to AMC. You just had to. AMC was waiting for you to get put, virus. It's right at resistance. Virus was not available though. There we go. We'll halt it up again. That's a bit of a weird halt though. This one's a bit of a weird halt just because it's halted at a double top almost. So that's always a bit concerning. Well, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens when it gets unhalted here. There we go. Perfect. No, thank you. $5, yeah. So that $5 resistance is what we talked about. I'm not sure why we have so many lines on here. I think it's because we have a circle at the top. But really, again, that resistance is up there, right? So we're getting close to the safe moon. Oh lordy. Look at her go, Jeffrey. J 420 to 475. Come on, give me a high five. Well done. Well done. This is what I get for doing yard work, TK. Not in the middle of the day, please. Do yard work when the market is closed. Please and thank you. Sheesh. What's a run? What's a run, Mira? Whether you made 10% or 100% or 200, congratulations, guys. Good way to start the week. Hopefully something shows up. As soon as this is done, as hopefully something else shows up. Usually that's the case. Trying to watch the in the Tesla TK. No, I had to go get some other stuff done. Otherwise, we would have stayed on for the entire day. But but uh Pablo, that's too funny. Massive AMC breaking news. Anyways, what can you do? What can you do, Pablo? Alerts, IWM alerts. Hmm, nice. IWM. It's a good run today for IWM. Good run. I know some of you guys were paying attention to IWM, so the small cap ETF. Very nice. You did, Jameson? Okay, let me take a look. Oh, Reddit. Oh, let's go. Puts? Okay. Let's see, which puts are those? When did they expire, Jameson? 71s. 71s. When did they expire? Yeah, as soon as that thing broke below $10, Sender, it was meh. Meh. What's the next resistance after the one we are on right now? So $5 is your next resistance, right? From that daily time frame. And as soon as we break above that, we can go back to the daily chart and look. I want to see if we actually break above. So like when we zoomed out, you could see Friday. Okay, that's not bad. Uh, no offering. There you go. Friday. That was a good breakout. 60. That was a good close too. Mm. There goes the on halts, guys. See, that was my only concern, just halting in that supply zone. But let's see what happens on this candle here. On halted. Isn't it impressive how like a stock is up 600% and it's just like it's on halted and it's just sitting there? Like it's at resistance or it's halted down. What the hell is this? Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, this one is pretty stupid. Yeah, it's halted down. This last one was pretty annoying. Seriously, David. Like what is this? Since Doo-doo-doo. 480. Yes. There you go. Adam, usually when a stock halts down, it just continues going down, or like it opens lower than it halted at, and then we can bounce back, right? Uh, but honestly, like this damn thing is so strong, we're just gonna have to wait and see what it on halts at. But we know this is resistance, though, right? Like this is the biggest level. So if I zoom out again on the daily chart, like look at this, right? If we can go back to we can go back to what is that, December, November of last year, and you can see this problem here, right? Like anytime you cross 450 to $5, you have a problem. The other two times, I mean, like it did run to like $6.50. Like if you look at these pivots at the very top of the wick, like 650 and 650. So maybe if we can break above five, but still though, like $5 is right there. See that $5 level? So this is September of last year. September last year, September, October. That thing would go up to $5 and then come back down, up and then back down, and then up and then back down, like for 2 weeks almost, right? Like up and down in this range, and then it crashed, and then it came back again to $5, broke above to 650, but then it never really closed above $5, and then crashed again, right? So if we can clear $5, then maybe 650 for now. Let's see what happens when it gets unhalted. Also, the market closes in like 30 minutes, and the stupid thing is getting unhalted every 2 seconds now. So at this point, it's becoming a bit it's becoming a bit annoying, isn't it? Like, come on, what are you doing? Unbelievable. Uh, uh, mm, okay, there we go. Thank you. Great information. I was about to jump in. I will wait to see what happens. Yeah, Yeah, let's see what happens when it gets unhalted, right? Especially since we have three other candles sitting in this range and not really going up, and that was a pretty big pop, right? So again, if you've been watching for a while, we've talked about educated FOMO so much, right? That's where this screenshot came from. Like if you're gonna jump into something, it has to be educated FOMO, right? The only educated FOMO you could ever get into is the one that's breaking clear resistance. Like if I look right here, you can see how it's struggling, right? Resistance, resistance, and then breakout. So we're on halted here now, guys, and it's dropping as expected, right? If a stock is halted down, it usually opens lower than what it halted at, right? And it might be halted again down, right? So you don't want to be jumping in when it's halted down, because then you might be in a lot of trouble. It's halted again. Oh my days. Just let the damn thing trade. Uh, exactly, Pablo. At the end of the day, when people are potentially taking profits, you want to be very careful. Up 600%. It's at a major resistance, which, since last year, it's been failing at. And it's the end of the day. And it's halted down. right? There are a few red flags, right? There are a few red flags. So if you just randomly jump in and you're like, "We're going to the $1,000," you're gonna end up homeless, right? So let's see if we can on halt at some point and then curl back above the nine and then go boom again. You want to wait for that momentum to kick in, though. When you're playing with momentum stocks that are halting like this, you don't want to try and catch the knife. Don't do that. Like when a stock is going down and it's been pumping all day, don't be the superstar rock star hero that's like, oh, I want to catch it. It's going down. It's a discount. No, it's not. I'd rather buy momentum stocks more expensive because you're going to make money. Buy high, sell higher. Buy high, sell higher. Right? Like when it's breaking out like this, everybody's watching this, right? They're like, ooh, 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 breakout, boom, 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 right? So yeah, CMAX is also cooking now, guys. CMAX is up to 270% now. Look at that. Beautiful test of the 200. That little white line JR at the bottom there, right? Uh, Look at that thing go. Oof. Damn, CMAX. CMAX says, hey, you guys want to go without me? Why? The high of the day for this thing is 665, 664. Right? So, I mean, like we've cooked today. Cooked. Right? So this one's up almost 300%, and Mira is up, Mira was up almost 600%, right? Well, it was up 600%. So really good for day for these stocks here. IWM is sitting at the highs of the day, so that looks really, really good for smaller. Anyways, the entire market has been cooking today. Might be good to keep that channel updated consistently as the bot can get buried in the. Earnings pre-market tomorrow, yeah, and then we're most likely going to stay on. We're going to have to come back tomorrow after, at the end of the day, power hour, for Tesla earnings and all the other things. Spotify also reports tomorrow morning. You're catering today, Roger? Dang, yeah, you missed a crazy day today. Crazy, crazy. This has to be one of the biggest days we've had since, yeah, it's been a while since we had a 600% runner. So, yeah, stock, see what with that picture? Yep. So play the breakouts, guys. Play the breakouts. Educated FOMO is a thing. Like you can FOMO into a stock and make monies. Cooking, yes. You can FOMO into a stock and make money. You just have to know when not to FOMO, please. Right? On momentum stocks, the worst thing you can do sometimes is try and catch the dip, unless you see that it's actually consolidating and curling, because these stocks can hold down for days, and then you end up holding a nice bag. Yeah, it's funny though, because some of you guys were up like $600 already, like before lunch, and then you're like, "Yep, I'm done for the day," and then the stock is almost done another 25% from there. In terms of like, where was that? Not from. It's added another like 200%, right? From like yesterday, well, Friday's closing price. Yeah, since FFIE, I think so too. I think so too. I think so too. Yeah. No, I again like I like if we're talking about like a stock that is a favorite already in discords that's been running all day, then I don't post it in the signal channel because we're talking about it already in every other channel, right? So Brian. Someone has to hold the bag, right? Just make sure that it's not you, please. Please. I feel like something's gonna go after hours. Like CMAX is still looking good. 270%, even though it's stalling at $6. If that thing can close above six, Mira is unhalted, guys, right? And Mira is still dropping. So let's see if we can stay above the 20, because the 20 is usually, a nice level to bounce at. But you can kind of see what I mean, though, right? When a stock is halted up, it usually opens and goes higher. When a stock is halted down, it usually on halts and goes lower. So now it looks like Mira unhalted and went all the way down to 410, but then it's back to 440 and it's halted up again. This is so stupid at this point, honestly. Like, just let the damn stock trade. Let it trade. Like, just let it trade. My goodness. What is this? Shish. Shish. My goodness. Yeah, that thing is cooking again, guys. NUKK is cooking here. Just let it trade. Nice popped up. So that's another one for sure to watch into the close here. Ooh, we NUKK. Yeah, we might just have to be waiting for after hours. We have about another 22 minutes, and then the market closes. Um, and then we can go from there. Yeah, we should be able to get at least like one more on halt, one more. One more on halts, and then maybe we halt again. Maybe two more halts. Maybe two more halts, and then the market closes. Because I think at this point, these halts are taking like 10 minutes, right? Pretty annoying, honestly. Anyways, yeah, so NUKK looks good into the close. CMAX looks interesting if it can stay above $6. And then Mira obviously looks interesting as well into the close. Then JMIA has done really well today too, right? So really good. Yeah, the markets have done really well. The S&P is up 1% today. NVIDIA has been cooking. Crypto's done really well. NVIDIA's at, yeah, so 123. Yeah. NVIDIA. What's AMD at? AMD is at 155 still. Yeah. Good day, though. Good day for the markets, right? Seriously, Tony. Seriously. I usually what happens though, EPOW. Usually, what happens is, as the day goes on, like the system is updated, right? Because the reason why it's halting so much is because they're comparing the percentage gained or lost to the closing price of Friday, right? So, I mean, that's a pretty low price. So, any type of movement, it's getting halted. Usually, what happens is the price, the halts, whatever signal they use, is updated as the day goes on. So, it shouldn't halt like every 2 seconds because the stock is $4 now. It shouldn't be halting. But again, maybe it's not updated and it's still halting. Um, it's still it's still a 10 to 15% move though, right? So it should be getting halted, but you would think they would update it. Hopefully not a tease. Yeah, tomorrow is going to be important. Hopefully it's not a 1 day thing, Roger. Hopefully it's not a 1 day thing. Okay, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. I would really appreciate that. I would really, really appreciate that. So while we're just waiting for this thing to get unhalted here, and then to see if CMAX can stay above this line and then push back above $6, because that's another one, right? Another Momo stock to watch. Okay, let's see. Another momentum stock. Retry. SoFi, yes, of course. Yes, of course. You have some calls for SoFi? Okay. Tony, of course. SoFi is one of those that look like when I looked at it on the weekend and it looked like it wanted to break out. SoFi has been beautiful with like the levels too, and we talked about those levels, right? Because just I mean, like look at that, right? Just 2 weeks ago, SoFi was testing the bottom, and now I'm gonna have to zoom like really, really zoom out so I can see that breakout again. But because I think I had to do that. Only concern with SoFi is that like it's only up 4 cents today, even though the markets have been cooking. But that's just SoFi though. And then obviously it's at resistance. So your next resistance here, is like 790. So if that thing can ever break 790, which I think you're fine with those calls as long as you keep getting candles that close above 740, you're fine. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. So as long as you keep closing, because so what we were pointing out at some point here, Yi, is that every time SoFi would test the 200, it would fail. Test the 200, fail. Test the 200, fail. Again, these are daily candles, right? Test the 200, fail. The fact that SoFi actually broke above the 200, and then Friday today, it's testing the 200 right there, and it's bouncing off the 200. That's a good thing. So 920, okay, perfect. Yeah, so as long as you have time on those calls and SoFi keeps holding that 200 EMA, which is currently at like $7.40, you're okay. You are a okay. So yeah, so that 200 for me needs to keep holding. Otherwise, SoFi is just gonna turn around and say thanks, thanks. Could light up these packs this week. Okay, keep an eye on it. Let's go. CMAX is still trying to break $6, and Mira is still halted. Mira, Mira. Okay, there we go. Interest rate cuts will run. Wait to enter. Yeah, I think the people are expecting that the next rate cut is going to come on the next meeting, right, in September. So, or yeah, September. So two rate cuts this year. First one in September. If these guys don't cut in September, the market is going to cry, cry, cry. Let me take a look. Those are so 38 cents, and then high of the day is 49 cents. Almost looks like one that you should set an alert for a break of 50 cents after the market closes. The beanpole. Okay. I'll set an alert on it actually. See if we can get a 50-cent breakout. Cool. Okay, we're just waiting for this one here. In after hours, Jeffrey, hopefully. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. AMC. I'm surprised Virus didn't buy AMC puts immediately as that thing, you know. There we go. Interesting. Yeah, Pablo posted earlier for CGC. It looks like CGC's everything is running today. It seems. So we should be getting another on halt here for Mira in a little bit. And then NUKK looks like it's retesting that 55-cent double top. So let's see if it actually breaks this time. I just had IWM on here just to watch. CGC. Canopy growth. What a nice run. Another breakout play. Not bad. 16% almost. Not bad at all. Very, uh, mm, Yeah, CMAX looks good. It looks good. It almost looks like one of these names. Reese is going to do something here after the market closes, huh? So there's a bit of a double top on this one though at 610. And then, oh my goodness, Mira. Mira said, hey guys. Oh, oh my goodness. My goodness, Mira. Mira has halted again, guys. 627%. Shish. Shish. If you're still holding Mira, type in yes in the chat. Yeah, CMAX is getting slapped from that double top. So yeah, look at that double top, Reese. So if it doesn't break and close above, you don't touch. Whew. My goodness. Sheesh. Yeah, CMAX failed that resistance. Let's go. Yeah, Reese is gonna sleep tonight, and he won't stop smiling because he scalped this thing so much. Let's go, Williams. Let's go. Hell yeah, Marco. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. It looks like CMAX is bouncing aggressively though. 535 to 570. That's a pretty aggressive bounce. Anyways, that thing is halted up again. Whew, look at the volume on those candles. My goodness. My goodness. My goodness. For an offering, no doubt. Yeah, that's the concern you. That's the risk you take when the stock is up 600% and you hold into after hours. Is now you have to go look and make sure that the company actually has cash, right? So if I look at the balance sheet now, Mira, I just want to see what they have for cash, right? So float, we know the float, open interest, short interest, not that big, 34% insider holdings, market cap is blah blah blah, and then $3.5 million in cash. $3.5 million. I don't think that's enough cash. Uh, yeah, don't think that's enough cash. But anyways, who knows? We shall see. That's why you want to make sure that if you're holding anything overnight, you're holding anything into after hours, it's not your full position, right? You at least secure some monies, take some monies off the table, right? Surf. Yeah, it looks like Surf is bouncing back above the 9 here. So that's not horrible, right? So nice little bouncy. Okay, this thing is on a clear downtrend though, so be careful. Mira, Mira on the wall. Who's the best of them all, guys? It's Mira. Mira. There we go. If you're planning on holding this thing overnight or into after hours, you might not have a choice, honestly, because the market's closed in 9 minutes. I don't think this thing is going to on halt again. I think at this point, if you held it, you're holding overnight. You're holding into after hours. So, but if you're planning on holding overnight, type in yes in the chat. Um, Type in yes in the chat. La, 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 la. Marco, what's the answer? It was too late. Yeah, no, Jeffrey. Again, it's never too late. I don't think I like. I will never look at a stock and say it's too late. Ever, 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 ever. Because I mean, we've seen stocks go from like 100% to 500% to 1,000% to 2,000% to 3,000%. We've seen some pretty crazy things. You're like, oh, it has to be done at $5, right? Nope. $10. It has to be done, right? Nope. So you just have to play the breakouts. You just have to play the breakouts. If it looks like if the chart looks good, play the chart, not the percentage gain. Play the technicals, right? Because it's had some really good breakouts. Pay yourself on the way up. Blah blah blah. Yeah. So the only thing now is it's halted up, and there's 7 minutes to go before the market closes, and it most likely will not on halt. So who knows what happens after hours at this point? Banjul, it would have been a good idea to FOMO at any point today, right? But now you're asking that question at the end of the day when it's halted and the market is about to close. So that's that you're playing a whole different game now. So let's see what happens after hours. Let's go, crypto. Thank you for the super chat. Thank you for the super chat. Mira Mira on the wall. Again, this thing was initially posted in Discord at 69 cents, guys. Right? So it's been FOMO all day today. FOMO this, FOMO that, 69 cents. Right? When we were talking about it this morning, it was at 90 cents to a dollar. From a dollar, guys, to $2 to $3 to $4 to $5, right? That's a pretty big run. So it's been FOMO all day today on this one. So again, if you're not a member yet, make sure you join us in Discord. And if you're struggling with how to play the breakouts, like we've done videos in Discord that talks about how to play the breakout. So if you're not sure on what to do, go watch those videos. Spend some time in the education channel, right? Ask questions, please. Become goats, right? Learn how to play the breakouts, please and thank you, please, right? Because if you're missing all of this stuff, then yeah, don't listen to the bagged AMC baboons. So if you want to join us in Discord, guys, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots and come join us. No, so there's no halts after hours. As soon as the market closes, there's no halts. So this thing could go all the way up or all the way down, and it will not be halted, Tony. So no halts in pre-markets, no halts when the market opens. So that's a plus, right? So if the momentum is still there and it wants to run, it's not going to be stopped. It's gonna be just volatility, craziness. So make sure you play with caution after hours. Mira, Mira on the wall. Who's the best of them all? Mira, Mira. Not trading exactly, Pablo. So if that thing is halted after hours, like Pablo said, it would be because of like an actual PR, new spending, right? So not for the reasons that we've been halting today, which is just volatility. 4 minutes to go. 4 minutes to go. 4 minutes. AMC, yeah, AMC had a bit of a bounce because they had news. But honestly, like, does anybody really care about AMC news? You know, does anybody really care for AMC news? I hope not. Because that's how you get scammed, you know? That's how you get scammed. Sheesh, BITO looks nice today. Very nice. Good run. The puts care. Yeah, that's true. Yeah. Yup. It looks like NUKK failed at double tops, right? So when you see these warnings, just take them and leave. So double top resistance and then back down. The good thing for Mira though is that it halts. It's halted on the way up into the close. Because this could get bloody if it was halted the other way and then the market closed. Sheesh. Mira, Mira on the wall. Give us the on halt. 2 minutes. 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. Oh, nice. Uh, anything else looking good into the close, guys? Oh, okay. I see. I think I know what's happening now. Someone asked me earlier, like, why the countdown clock wasn't working. It's because the damn stock was halted. I'm like, I don't know. It should be working. It's because the stock was halted. Watch them on halted the last 30 seconds. Yep. 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 Let's see what happens. 45 seconds, guys. 45 seconds. Like, wait, I don't know. Serve? Okay, sounds good, Nairo. $14 calls. Yep. It will not on halt. It's going to be on halted in. Uh, I don't know why that's delayed. As soon as the market closes, in 10 seconds. In a few seconds, guys. And there we go. There goes $5.04. 520. 520. 518. 506. Oof. 450. 470. My goodness, it really is chaos, isn't it? There it goes back to 440. 460. Something just went up the alerts. Not sure what, so I'm going to ignore it. 466. Get back to $5 already. 570, 580. Time for chaos. I have a meeting in 15 minutes, so let's see where we are in 10 minutes, and then we can hop off. If this thing can find a way, though, to just, I think that's SOAR. Yeah, I think that's the one that went up the alert here. SOAR. If this thing can find a way to consolidate or still be playing with $5 in the next 30 minutes, I think it's going to ask for more. Yeah, that's this one. Oh, yeah. Well done, Yi. Oof. And yeah. And yeah, so yeah, that thing just had to break about, what was it again, 48 cents? Okay. Mira, look at that thing go, guys. Mira is like, hey guys, don't worry. You don't even have to wait 30 minutes, guys. Because I'm already cooking after hours here now. Woof. Woof, Mira. What an absolute monster. When's the company gonna announce an offering? Hopefully not tonight. I did a MOC and it failed at 501, Larry. Okay. Yeah. I mean, that's kind of where it unhalted at, anyways. You did have the opportunity to take some profits, though, right? At $5.30, 540. So, and you're kind of sitting at break even now, so it's not a bad position. So, it's just fluctuating for now. Again, we know $5 is a big deal, right? So, this level might be a bit of a magnet for a second here. But hopefully, most of you guys paid yourself, please. Uh, 477. So if you're looking to play with this thing after hours, guys, don't try and like be a hero. Just leave it alone. Let it consolidate, and then if it's breaking out again at some point, like it's breaking $5, it's breaking 520 maybe. But now though, just give it time to find its footing after hours. Because right now you'd be guessing. So don't get too excited, especially after like being halted and then opening after hours. These candles are crazy though. Like it's almost like a 20-cent spread on this. Like it looks like it's about to crash and then it goes right back up. And then it looks like it's about to squeeze and then it comes right back down. So yeah, I would be a bit cautious here. And if you're planning on holding this thing overnight, you only hold something overnight if it's actually performing into like after hours closing. So you're not just randomly like holding a stock that's dropping because it's gonna end up crashing tomorrow if you hold it. And it has to be showing you signs of like wanting to pop pre-market. So, and there goes $4.30, guys. Ooh, so is cooking, guys. Oh my days. Sheesh. Oh my daisy. You see that? My goodness. That thing is up 78% after hours, guys. Beanpole, did you get into that thing? I hope you got into that thing. Sheesh. So it's like, let me soar, guys. Let me soar. Let me soar, please. Oh, that was Jason, wasn't it? 48 is on the move. Yeah, that was Jason. Did Jason? Yeah. There goes 86% now for soar. That thing said, yep, I'm just going to soar after hours, guys. Just going to soar. Sheesh. Okay, perfect. Very nice. Mira is still just sitting there, so it's holding the 20 EMA though. Very nice soar. Okay, perfect. 91 cents. And Mira is still just sitting there consolidating. Can we see $1 for soar? Okay, let me send out a message. Already. Okay. Live W has some news. Live Water announces new comprehensive settlement with a group of blah 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 blah. There's your news. There's your breaking news. LIFW. Hmm. Let me see what it's actually doing now. Uh, W. Ooh, dang. That thing said, you don't like my news? Was 44% on that. RNAS with an offering. Ooh, 45%. Uh, Dang, 55%, guys. 57%, 59%. Sheesh. 60%, 61. Damn. Yeah, stuff like that is a bit complicated though, because the news really doesn't make any sense. But pop, pop, pop. Let's go, Josh. Right, pretty good run. Mira is still dropping, but Mira was a beauty today. What an absolute way to start the week, guys. With a 600% runner. Whew, 600%. My days. Even AMC is up 12 cents after hours. Even cannabis is up after hours. And then even the stock is. Let's go, Josh. My goodness. I want to see what this thing does here. Yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys. Hit that subscribe if you're new, and then yeah, smash a like if you haven't already. RDHL with some news as well, but it seems like it's more of a delayed reaction type of thing. Hmm, okay, there you go, 65% now, guys, for live W here. 65. Let's go, Veronica. I know you've been wanting CGC to run, 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 run. Golden Heaven, GDHG with a nice pop to the highs of the day. CMAX getting slapped, so obviously never broke out. So with this one, guys, with Mira is going to need to break out at some point above 5 if it wants to run again. If it doesn't, stay away. No need to risk stuff. No need to take unnecessary gambles. 30-cent gain again. A 30-cent gain, yeah. Well done, Jason. Because I think, yeah, well done. That was a nice call. Congratulations. Thank you. Well done. Well done. Good shouts. Uh, what was that about, Soar? So easy gains. Congratulations, Beanpole. Yeah, that was nice. So congrats. Good pop. As soon as that thing broke above, right? That's why we said that alert. Right? As soon as that thing broke 49 cents, breakout. Everybody FOMO. Retail loves the breakout. Loves the breakout. Who doesn't love a breakout, though? To be fair, who doesn't love a breakout? Who doesn't love a breakout? It's a good way to end the day for you, Jason and Beampo. Good way to end the day. A good way to end the day. Uh, okay, sounds good. See if anything else can show up here. I think you can tell. You'll be able to tell that Mira is done because I don't think Mira is completely done yet. If they do an offering, the thing is done, right? Which you would think at some point today, tomorrow, they're going to do an offering. Maybe, maybe not. They might just let it squeeze to $20. Who knows? But this thing isn't done for me until we start seeing like consistent lower highs and lower lows, right? Like if we're just gonna keep doing this stupid move all day long, like just higher lows and higher highs and higher lows, that thing is not done yet. Even if it's after hours, so it's still on watch. As long as the breakout is in your skin. Yep, exactly, Pablo. Exactly. With extra cheese tonight, true luxury. Let's go, Beanpole. Yeah, right. There's nothing wrong with treating yourself. Maybe maybe get some. Maybe get like the the pizza with more veggies on it too, so you can pretend that you're being healthy. You know. You know. So still just sitting there. Live is still just sitting here. Soar is still sitting there. One of these names is gonna pop again here soon. So whichever one decides to break out. Pineapple. I like pizza with pineapple. Yeah. Pizza with pineapples. Hey guys, hey Furin. You should want to finish higher than fourth. I know. Just maybe, yeah, soon, soon, Pablo. Soon, soon, soon. Tonight, maybe? Probably not. Not tonight. Maybe on the weekend. No, not on the weekends either. Next weekend, Pablo, for sure. Can you explain what is going on with what's the hype on which one? Me. What's the hype on what? Which stock are you referring to? Mira? Mira had news this morning, and then the volume just went over to Mira. So they had news this morning, and the volume just never left. Right? Like the volume usually is 5 million. The volume is usually 5 million. Today the volume was 150 million. So again, earlier this morning at 8 a.m. this morning, the company announced some pharmaceutical news, and then everybody just started FOMOing, and the stock looked really good, right? So from a technical point of view, this chart was beautiful today, even though it's been halted so many times and it's been really like frustrating at times. It was a beautiful chart. Dip, consolidate, curl, breakout, right? Every time it broke out, everybody got excited, and then brand new highs. So it's a combination of like beautiful technicals, volume coming through, and them having a catalyst. The news doesn't mean anything to me. I could care less about the news. I mean, obviously, we haven't talked about the news on the stock all day today, right? I mean, we did in the morning and at some points, but like, I mean, like actually talking about the headline and what it means, because we don't care what it means. Does anybody in the chat know what the news for Mira means? When they say stuff like it was a few hours ago, right? So I mean, you could look at stuff like this and you're like, what does that really mean? Potential in I mean, like, does that mean they're gonna make monies? Does that mean they're gonna, like, okay, cool. There goes live, guys. Live is like, hey, I'm gonna go again. Let's go again. Yeah. TK, be quiet. uh, what does that mean, TK? Unbelievable. When I say I don't know what it means is, like, how does that translate to like revenue, right? Like, what does the company like what's the competition? I don't think we have enough time to do that research. Like, what's their market cap? What are they going to make from this? Who are they competing with? Blah blah blah. We don't really care. As long as the stock is pumping, we don't really care. So is dropping, but life is retesting that double top there. Okay, so Mira is still dropping a little bit. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of headlines coming out after the close here. NCNA, ONMD. Mm-hmm. Maybe live is the next one to pop there. Oh, dang. Yeah, I have a meeting, guys. I completely forgot. Okay, I am late. Yeah, let me message. Uh, Dividends? Oh, wow, Brian. Interesting. Okay. Wow. Anyways, guys, we're going to be in stock general, alrighty? So, again, if you want to join us in Discord, come join us. Smash a like before you go. Hit that subscribe. Again, good way to start the week. Let's cook again tomorrow, please. Uh, well, we were watching Mira as Mira exploded to brand new highs of the day, 600% for the day. And then Live W has some momentum and it's just kind of sitting on the double top there, 84 cents. So let's see if LIFW can break out. You caught the end? Okay, sounds good. And then there are a few more names too, but like Soar is another one to maybe watch after hours. But yeah, life is giving some vibes there if it can break out. All in GME. Yeah, no thanks. Anyways, be safe, guys. Have a wonderful evening, afternoon, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Alrighty, bye, guys. Bye, all. Bye, bye, bye.